It would be nice.
Yeah, you're in my guest house. You want to verify your ID?
10 seconds. You can look at the camera.
Do not go on my property. I did not give you permission to go on my property.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Сюда!
Check this lady out. I guess she wants to be a future Airbnb host.
Can I help you? Hello?
Yeah, you're in my guest house. You want to verify your ID?
Your guest house?
Yes. Would you like to verify your ID?
Would you like to get out from my front porch?
You're in my guest house. Would you like to verify your ID?
You want to get off my porch before I call the police?
There is no porch, and they're right behind me to pick you up.
Make sure you keep those doors locked. There's a lot of people out there looking for a place to stay warm.
Hello? Is this the place that need to clean? There's a... Oh, really?
Check this nasty dancer out. Let me know in the comments, would you help her out with some water? Looks like she's tweaking out pretty bad.
I'm calling the cops. Get the fuck off my property.
Oh, I'm just gonna ask for some water. Do you mind?
No, get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna call the cops.
Some water would be nice.
Get the fuck off my porch.
Está fotoseñada. No se baña. No tiene nada. Eso no está de verdad. Que lo que no entiendo.
Hello? Hey! What the fuck are you doing? No, I didn't give you permission to go on my... No, get out of there, man. You can't be opening my door.
I'm with the gas company. I have to check your gas meter.
No, I don't care. We're not home right now. Just come back.
Be home? That's gonna take like 10 seconds. You can look at the camera.
Do not go on my property. I did not give you permission to go on my property.
Is there another time or day that works better for you?
Come back. Do not go on my property. Do not go in my backyard.
Time or day that works better for you?
Do not go in my backyard. I'll get in touch with the meter people.
Okay.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
You come through, the next thing you know, before you can even get there, here goes this craziness. Trying to race down a block. Stop moving. Just stop. I know what it is. It's Hakeem Jeffrey's gang affiliation that's part of the Biden crime family.
I just saw you take my
They're
packages.
part of the Biden crime family.
Not sure what's up with these people walking into people's homes. Please keep your doors locked. This lady looks like she was obviously off something.
Check it out.
You are currently being recorded.
Hey! You in camera.
Power wash. How does power wash? Look at power wash. It's right again.
Hey, what the fuck you motherfuckers doing? You're on camera and the cops. Stupid motherfucker.
The police are trying to catch this Porch pirate. Let's not forget about those other delivery options. Also, try to grab your package as soon as you can.
Yeah, record. Fine. Oh, that. Okay.
Nike Air Jordan. Nike Air Jordan. Bullshit fucking scale.
Coach over there. Yo, coach, motherfuckers. Yo, coach. Yo, coach, motherfuckers.
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Please be safe out there.
From by my door, bitch. I see you stealing my package. Oh, I see the little girl stealing my package. I just
You are on camera. You are on camera. You better put my packages back. You are on camera. You better put those packages back.
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.